Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for the support. This evening we're gonna be doing some fried chicken and sweet potato. I wasn't gonna record this video because it's just a simple dinner for me, but then I said, what if people are out there and want to have a quick dinner like me, so maybe they could learn something off of it. So we're just gonna go through a quick fried chicken and roast sweet potato. Let's get started. Fried chicken, and today these are our seasons that we're going to use. I have garlic, hot pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, tomato. For the tomato, I'm going to be using it to make like a sweet savory sauce to go with the fried chicken. Then we have meat seasoning, black pepper. This is like a garlic onion based kind of seasoning. It's mostly garlic and onion into it. And then we have all purpose. You know, we have our flour that's going to use for breading, salt, egg, and we have the vinegar. The vinegar is going to go a part of the sauce and also going to use to clean the chicken. Let's get started. So first what we're going to do is we're going to marinate the chicken, put it aside for 15 minutes. Normally I do this from overnight because it gets to soak longer, but I just realized that I feel for fried chicken, so we're gonna do that today. Let's go, let's go. Alright, so now we're going to start the breading process, but first light your oven, turn it up to 350 degrees. Light your frying pot, turn it down very low so it can take a little time and heat up, and let's get started. So I have my flour, I add a little all-purpose seasoning to it, and I also add my egg. Just salt your egg and let's get ready. Okay, so first I'm going to remove the chicken from the marination and into another container because I need to add the egg to it, and I need the remaining seasoning to put towards my sauce. So we're going to remove that. Put that one side, and now I'm going to garlic and pimento to the pot. The oil is hot, so you don't want it too hot because you don't want it to burn and give the chicken an ugly color. We're gonna go ahead and add our chicken to it right now. Okay, so now that those are in the oven, we're gonna start working on our sauce. Let's go.
It's a sin for not showing how much I enjoy this right now. This nice.